All right, good morning. Good morning. We're down now right around 4% from the highs of 1225 for the year. We're slightly down for the month now of November as we open November right around this 1177 area. So, pivot this morning, 1179. We've banged off of it after housing starts dropped another 12%. Permits were slightly up or down, plus or minus. I've seen numbers. Bottom line, CPI, they said, was slightly up. Folks, nothing is new here. We continue to kind of rehash the same news that's been going on for years, 2 years now, 3 years. Too much leverage, etc. The zombie banks continue to pull themselves. Matter of fact, local bank here in Bend, Cascade Bank, CACB, after a year of scrambling to come up with regulatory needs from outside investors, basically gave the bank away. They sold $180 million in securities. They're going to do a reverse 1-for-10 split. And basically the 3 or 4 investors that are putting in the bulk of the 180 million own the bank. So I don't know what that means, but that type of behavior is going on still out there. Until it stops, we're going to continue to grind probably for years. And trading is the only way to make money in this market going forward. Selective opportunistic opportunities is the only way you're going to generate alpha. Otherwise, you're going to have to grind it out in your own entrepreneurial ventures, because buy and hold is dead for the next 10, 20 years, I do believe. Nothing will change there, as will be evidenced by the typical price action of this market. We shoot up 20%, and then all of a sudden in a couple days' time, we wipe out a quarter of those gains, and just as people were getting sucked into the game again. So if you're not looking at trading opportunities and figuring out how to do this game, then I don't know where you're going to generate alpha. Pivot being this morning, I think we're going to see consolidation day. I'd say the high end we won't get over 1187. Low end probably 1165, 11 to 6, 1160. It'd probably be a swing buyer down, starting on that low 1160 level if we were able to see that. I'd love to see some type of push down there this morning. That would be the opportune buy opportunity, but I don't know if we're going to see that. So again, CPI was up down 2%. They were expecting up 3. Yes, prices were down magically over the last month. I don't get how they even come up with these numbers half the time. But housing starts also at 52, half a million. They were expecting almost 600,000, and building permits, again, down slightly. So that's where we are. Not a lot of news out there outside of that. We've got FOMC head talking here, and he's talking right now actually. Bullard is speaking. Crude oil is the only thing left. Tomorrow we have unemployment claims, but not the real unemployment. Philly Fed, mortgage delinquencies, and natural gas come out tomorrow. And then you got Bernanke speaking Friday morning, and another FOMC head talking tomorrow. So not a lot left in the week as far as economic news. Maybe a good time for some type of bounce. Look for bounces to sell up near that 1200 level. Look for something to buy down near the 1150 level, and that's kind of where you are in the context of the market. Peace. See you at emisttrade.com. That's emisttrade.com. 3-day trials free. Bye.